Blue tape magic tool. Make yourself a zero clearance insert. You're getting ready to do some of those really thin rips, say you're going to make self edge. Throat plate on your table saw might be a little bit wide, and sometimes those can get sucked in and break them up and not be safe. Pop off your riving knife, put it over the opening front to back. If you have a lever like I do on this saw stop that you got to pull up, be sure not to cover that because we need to pull it back off. And I'm going to go ahead and do 2 layers. I'm going to flip the saw and run the blade up. Now reinstall the riving knife. I love how quick and easy it is. No tools to take that off and on. Now run this back up without turning it on. Don't have to be real careful with this one because by the time you get back here, it isn't going to matter as much. I could have probably even left this little bit off. A little more blue tape magic. Just that quick and easy. You got a zero clearance insert. TSO is having their second insider sale from today, the 22nd, until Sunday, the 24th. This sale is 10% off of UJK and Axminster tools. If you order $99 or more, then shipping is free to the contiguous United States. Now this is an insider sale, so you will go, I'll provide a link down below, but you'll go there and sign up for an email, and when you subscribe to that, they will send you the code for this discount. You see me use quite a few tools in the Smart Wood Shop from UJK Axminster Tools. One of the mainstays is the Parf Guide Mark II. This is an absolutely essential tool to make all of the Smart Wood Shop, the benches, the accessories, the router tables, all of those things absolutely requires this. This gives me this 20 millimeter hole layout on exactly 96 millimeter centers, perfectly square. I'm talking CNC level accuracy. Cannot do that with a tape measure or a shop made jig. This is the way to go. Also, since I am a portable shop, I don't have a drill press, so they make one of the nicest, just smoothest, real precision portable drill presses. In fact, I was using this earlier today. I've got the plug cutter in to make some walnut plugs. UJK has lots of other tools, so check them out at TSO. Take advantage of the sale if any of them will help you out in your Smart Wood Shop. But don't forget to run to the store and pick up a couple of rolls of magic blue tape. Mahalo.